Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new video. So today I was just about to weed my brassica bed at home in my kitchen garden, and I thought I'll bring you along because it's something you probably could benefit from. Anyway, so look at the weeds. I'd let these weeds grow for so long because this is netted. You don't always open the net. So today is weeding day. Now I'm using my favorite weeding tools. This is no ad. You just need to have access to these tools if you're a serious gardener. It saves you a lot of back ache and also makes the job really quick. So this is a stirrup hoe. Okay, it's either called an oscillating hoe or a stirrup hoe. You can see how effectively it will chop up this weeds. See how it's doing this in the corners as well, even where I can't easily reach. Okay, now the stirrup hoe has a short hand, but you can also have a long handled one, and there are two head sizes. This is a small head size. The benefit of having a small head is having like little plants and delicate stems. You don't want to chop them up, and also it's still really sharp. Can you see how quickly it's just getting rid of all those weeds? Is really effective. Okay, so a styropo is something I would highly recommend if you're growing your own vegetables and you want to weed. The second one, this is the big boy. I think this is the most important one for me. This is called a Hori Hori knife. I think it's a Japanese knife. Now this knife, it's so versatile. It's a weeder, it's a harvester, it's a digger, and it's a planter. It's so robust as well. So it is worth every penny. It saves you time and money. Okay, look at how easily it's going to get rid of the weeds in the corners. Look, I can't reach because that's the fence, remember. So a Hori Hori knife is one tool you need in your garden. Okay, no ads at all. Now my styropo again, just getting rid of the weeds in the corners there. And this is the long handled one, and I'm just going to show you. See, our ancestors, my grandma used to bend and weed, and I actually had a hoe that was short, but then getting this long handle styropo is a game changer, guys. I don't need to bend when I weed. I can just stand, do my weeding, and then only bend to get rid of the weeds at the end of the day. Or you can even do a chop and drop, but then doing a chop and drop here will increase slugs. Okay, so making sure your brassica bed is free of debris, dead leaves is important because slugs can live there and they can decimate your plant. And then also getting airflow. Now the lower leaves in the brassicas, most people just leave them or let them rot away, but I don't. I pick them and I juice them. Listen, these are the most nutritious things that have helped me heal from fibromyalgia. Yeah, so this is going to be my breakfast juice today. And now I'm going to take all the lower leaves and even the salads that are there, because there are a few salads interplanted there because this is a shaded area. They're doing really well, thankfully, despite the drought we've had this year. So now I am going around to pick the leaves. You can actually leave the weeds as a chop and drop, but like I said, brassica beds, ideally not. And it's not really dry here, it's shaded, so we don't want to leave a chop and drop. So I will compost these leaves, yeah, and they're still going to come back to the soil. Now, finally, I'm putting my netting on. Obviously, we are doing organic gardening. We have the cabbage white butterfly that can decimate this whole bed in no time if I left the netting undone. So guys, look at the whole place, nice and clear airflow. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, kindly subscribe for more gardening and healthy living tips. See you in another one. Bye.